Hey guys, so I have a little haul for you guys today. So I went out shopping with my grandma and I got a few things. So first I got this shirt and it's from Ross and it's actually really cute and I really like it. And it's like really comfortable. So yeah. And then from Ross also I got this just like plain black t-shirt. It like has a square neckline. It's really cute. I had a similar one to this from Hollister, but I kind of lost it, so. And then I got this like oversized t-shirt. So I was thinking I could probably like wear it with these jeans and like tuck it in or something, and it would be cute. Oh, I also got my nails done, like this baby pink color. So yeah. And then from Target, I got these sweatpants. They fit so good, like so good. I have some like these, but I stained them. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna try all of these on for y'all to see. And then also from Target, I got this like reddish purple shirt. It's really cute. It's extra small. I wish they had extra small because it's a little big, but it's okay. It's okay. And then from Ulta, we got this like Sunbum sunscreen, like face sunscreen. So yeah. No, it's like a tinted sunscreen. Same thing. And then two of these, like Maui Bay Browning Lotion, so I'm not pale this summer, like, no. And then the same brand, the Maui Babe After Browning Lotion. I don't even know how this works, so we'll figure it out. And then she also got me this, like, Sunbum chapstick, but it's okay. Very grateful. And then pimple patches, which were most definitely needed. And then last but definitely not least, the Sol de Janeiro 40. It smells so good. I was gonna get the 62, but I was like, I kind of want something else this time. So I got this, and it smells amazing. Okay, so these are the little sweatpants. That's what they look like. They're actually really nice. Okay, and this is the shirt that is super cute. And this is it with the sweatpants. Okay, and then this shirt, which I think is cute, tucked in like this. The arms are a little big, but it's okay. Okay, and this is the top, the black top from Ross. It's actually very flattering, and I really like it. But that's it. Thanks for watching.